vibes. So welcome back to my channel, Our Ava Unique. Say with me, Our Ava Unique. This video is going to be about synthetic hair. So this is an ash blonde. Well, that's what I'm gonna call it. Got it from Amazon. So synthetic hair really has like a bad rep. And like, I know sometimes when people wear synthetic hair, it's like, she's wearing synthetic hair. But you know me, I really don't care what people gotta say. And as long as it looks good, you know, what you gonna say? What you gonna say? If it looks good, what you gonna say? Give me what you know for. Like what? What? Nothing. Anyways, the reason why synthetic hair gets bad rep is because not a lot of people know how to wear it right, or they wear it to death. Like imagine me wearing this like every single day for like a year. It's gonna be stiff, it's not gonna be able to move. $30. Some of y'all bundles that y'all spend money on can never. This is synthetic. So if you see this, knowing it's synthetic, you should already automatically be wowed. You know what I mean? Because some of y'all frontals that y'all spend money on could never. And I'm not even trying to be funny, but that's another subject. Look at this. Even though you remember before, look at this. Oh my gosh! Wow. You know, I customize this hair. People don't have creativity like me. You know, I'm creative. I can look at something and be like, no. Let me change it. Let me add my twist to it. And that's what I did to this. Like $30. Like you're not spending $300. This is a wear and throw away type of wig. You can't beat this wig. You can't beat this wig. I'm not a hairstylist. I just do whatever looks good on me, you know. So if you see me do something in this video, like, what is she doing? Just know I'm doing it just because it worked with me, you know. It's don't take, I ain't no hair. The link in the description box. Please, if you guys have any more ideas, any hairstyle you want me to do, let me know and I will definitely do it. This is the hair that I'm gonna be wearing. I think this is like, I wanna say 24 inches, 26. It didn't say the inches on the thing, but it looks like a good 24, 26 inch. Let me show you the inside. So the inside, it has 3 combs. 1, 2, 3 combs, and then it has the little clips. What is this clip? What is this clip called? Basically to tighten it for the back of your, to tighten it, to adjust it, the adjustable straps. That's what it's called. Yes. First things first that I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck this, because look at this, girl. Look at this. No. And obviously you can't bleach synthetic hair. The most I can do with these knots is probably put makeup on it. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Just gonna.
Mammy Beats Production.
Oh no! Hold up. on my hands like this and just